Hello, today we're in Queen Creek and I am in Barney Farms in the Groves collection. It's a Fulton Home. The first model we're going to be looking at is the Acacia. And as most of you may know, if you want a new build, you're going to need to come out to the Southeast Valley. Well, because there's more land here. And so that's why here in the Southeast Valley there's a lot of new builds, is because that's where the land is available. And you have a tendency to get a lot more bang for your buck than you would in the valley proper. So if you're new to my channel, I want to welcome you aboard. If you're returning, I want to welcome you back. My name's Ed Heiser. I'm with EXP, and we're going to be going over a lot of homes, and I like to also do a lot of videos, instructional videos, keep you up to date on the market and all things real estate. And without any further ado, let's go ahead and go out front and let's take a tour of this beautiful Acacia model by Fulton Homes. This is the Acacia. Well, that was the beautiful Acacia model by Fulton Homes here at Barney Farms in Queen Creek. And if you would like to see one of this model or any other model here in Barney Farms or anywhere here in the Southeast Valley, just give me a call. Reach out. I'm always just a phone call away. I would love to show you some homes and help you in your buying process. And as always, remember, I subscribe to my channel. I'm always putting out new content about real estate, about homes, new builds, pre-existing, and all things real estate to help keep you current and informed on our ever-changing market. And until next time, remember, I'm just a phone call away.